Okay, like 10 minutes ago, I got a 2x2 PB average of 194, which is my second sub 2. And considering I'm only halfway through relearning EG, this is really nice. Okay, so I'll just reconstruct. First solve, we see you have this bar over here and these two which pair up nicely. So it's a 2-move layer into a nice little pie case, and of course it cancels. So it was F prime, R2 U prime, R2 prime U, R2 U, R2 prime U prime, R U prime. That's what it looks like fast. On the second solve, it was a 282. First solve was 144, I think I forgot to mention that, but 282. I noticed 1-move EG face, but I haven't learned the L cases yet. So I just ended up going for the yellow layer. I held it from here. I did U prime, L, U, F prime, L prime into this nice little CLL there. That's what it looks like fast. Okay, next solve's 6. I'm not even going to bother. The solve after that was a 134. Now this is where I start getting into the real like EG stuff. So if I were to insert from here, this would also be a bad angle, and I haven't learned that case yet, or relearned it. But if I do it from here, we get an anti-zoom case, which I have relearned. And the funny thing is, it's U, R, U prime, R prime to set it up, and then R, U, R prime is the first 3 moves. So I just did the cancellation, which gave me U, F prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. This is what it looks like fast. Slight lockup, but whatever. Okay, for this next solve, I immediately saw this like kind of LS thing, and I knew there's a few ways to insert this corner. That just doesn't give too big of a case. This, actually that would have been a decent solution, but the only one I really looked at was this. I knew it cancelled, but couldn't be bothered to figure out the cancellation. This is just bad. But then, what have I done? Yes, okay, we look at yellow and see these two can be paired up in 1 move and aligned with this in a 2nd move. And I just know it gives the 2-gen zoom case. So for a bit, I contemplated trying to do like on the left, sort of, but so that would have been like, but I decided not to go for that, and instead I just went for U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U2. So fast, it looks like this. Bro. Okay, that's not looking good for believability on those solves, but as you can see, they're all decently easy scrambles, except for the 6. Hang on, let me just... I probably did like... That's probably it. But yeah, that's the average. Hopefully I can get like negative times when I learn full EG, because with only half of it, this is really good. Yeah, thanks for watching.